In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Squarespace and account.squarespace.com. We'll walk through opening Squarespace, finding your account dashboard, getting into your website, and adding your Instagram link using the social links block. I'll keep it simple and clear so you can follow along with your own site. First, head to the Squarespace Create Your Website page. You can use any modern browser. This page is a straightforward starting point because it places you in the Squarespace environment right away. If you already have a site, that's great. If not, this page still gives you access to your account tools. Make sure you're on the official Squarespace domain for a smooth and secure experience. Next, look to the top right corner of the page and click the profile icon. It typically looks like a small user silhouette. This opens your account options. If you see a prompt to continue to your account, proceed. The profile icon is your quick gateway to managing everything connected to your Squarespace presence. From there, select Account Dashboard. This takes you into account.squarespace.com, where you can see and manage your sites, subscriptions, and settings in one place. Think of the account dashboard as your home base. If you manage more than one website, this is where you'll switch between them. Now click on Website. This brings you into the workspace for your site so you can access the editor. You should see your site's overview along with options to configure, edit pages, and adjust design settings. If you manage multiple sites, choose the one you want to update before moving forward. Inside your site, click Edit to enter the page editor. Navigate to the section where you want your social icons to appear. Click Add Block, then choose Social Links. This block is designed to collect your social profiles in one tidy row. With the Social Links block selected, paste your Instagram link into the Instagram field. A good tip here is to copy your full profile URL ahead of time to avoid typos. You can usually customize the icon's style, size, and alignment so it matches your design. Keep it consistent with your site's look for a polished finish. Once the link is in place, hover over the icon to confirm it points to the correct page, and make sure your changes are saved before you leave the editor. That's it. You went from the Squarespace start page, into your account dashboard, into your website, and added your Instagram link with the social links block. Thanks for watching, and great job following along.